Hey guys, what is up? Here is one of my spider miners with a bunch of 10 series cards in it. So the issue is one of these fans stopped working. That'd be this one right here. So I'm going to pull this out of the case and do a fan repair on it and just show you how that works. Here is the card out of the case. These fans work. This one does not work. I bought a 3-pack of replacements because the last time I just bought a single, and these fans seem to go all the time on the 10 series cards, so now I'll have some extras. This one looks a lot easier to take apart than that Zotac that I did as far as the shrouding goes. So I'm going to take the whole thing right off of there. So I might just replace all of these fans. This is my new screwdriver set with some magnetic tips. What a difference that makes. So I found the right bit. There we go. There are just 6 screws, it looks like, that hold the shrouding on. And each of these have 4 screws on them. So we'll undo these screws. So they're undone. Take up these 3 fans. They got 4 screws each on them. And then the one mounting arm. These ones with the mounting arm are way easier to do than the ones without. I'm going to hold on to these, so I'm going to keep these 2. However, this one is trash. This is where the magnetic fan or magnetic screwdriver is very handy. These Strix ones actually have a bump on the screw mounting thing, so these line up nicely. You don't need to screw around trying to get them to fit like some other brand of cards. Wrote the wiring under these little pins. Easy. And that is it. Done. This is way easier than the Zotac. There we go. Line it back up here in the spider miner. That's it. We are done. Fire back up. Card's good to go. Rig can go back online. And everybody's happy. Perfect. Hope this helps someone. Thanks for watching. Super easy to do. I'll just show you this real quick. This is from Amazon. I ordered these ones, I think it was $30 because it came with Prime shipping. So it showed up the next day and I was able to fix this. Whereas if you order them from AliExpress or eBay, you know, it might take a month, sometimes 2 months to show up. And I figured might as well just get this one done quick, get the work done. You know, if you spend an extra 10 or 15 bucks in the whole scheme of things, it's not that much. So check Amazon, AliExpress, eBay. That's where I look for my fan replacements.